Legal scope first is the first requirement for ethical hacking. You only test systems when you have written permission, a defined scope, and clear rules of engagement. This protects you legally and teaches professional discipline. Real ethical hackers do not prove skill by attacking random targets, they prove skill by working inside an approved boundary. Networking foundation is the base layer. Learn TCP, UDP, DNS, HTTP, subnets, ports, routing, and how packets move between a client and a server. Without this, scanning results and exploitation steps look like magic. A beginner should be able to explain what is open, what service is exposed, and why that exposure matters. Linux and Windows skill comes next. You need the command line, files, permissions, processes, services, logs, PowerShell basics, and common admin mistakes. Ethical hackers spend a lot of time reading systems, not just running tools. When you understand operating systems, privilege escalation and post-exploitation become much easier to learn safely. Web application security is essential because many beginner pen testing jobs and bug bounty tasks focus on web apps. Learn requests, responses, cookies, sessions, authentication, access control, input validation, SQL injection, XSS, and file upload risk. Use Portswigger labs and local vulnerable apps so every concept has a real example. Scripting and automation separates tool users from problem solvers. Start with Python, Bash, and basic PowerShell. You do not need to build advanced malware, you need to parse files, automate checks, call APIs, and repeat simple tasks cleanly. Small scripts become portfolio-proof because they show how you think. Recon to Exploitation is the practical workflow. Begin with passive recon, active scanning, service identification, vulnerability research, safe exploitation, and validation. The goal is not to break things loudly. The goal is to prove a weakness, understand impact, and avoid damage while staying inside scope. Reporting skill is where many beginners fail. A good finding explains the vulnerability, evidence, business impact, reproduction steps, risk level, and remediation. Screenshots matter, but clear writing matters more. A clean report can turn lab work into interview-proof and client-ready communication. Lab portfolio makes the roadmap visible. Build write-ups from TryHackMe, Hack the Box, Portswigger, Home Labs, and small Python tools. Do not publish sensitive target details. Show your method, evidence, lessons, and fixes. A portfolio proves consistency before you have professional pen testing experience. Certifications path should follow fundamentals. Security Plus is useful for broad security basics. eJPT is beginner-friendly for hands-on penetration testing. PNPT is strong for practical methodology and reporting. CEH is recognized by some HR filters, while OSCP is harder and better after serious lab practice. Choose based on your current level and target jobs. Job Ready Plan combines everything. Learn the foundations, practice legally, build labs, write reports, choose one certification path, and apply with proof. Entry roles may include SOC analyst, junior penetration tester, vulnerability analyst, or security intern. The fastest path is not random hacking, it is permission, process, evidence, and communication.